Be ready. 5 seconds. Start. It is indeed a matter of great pleasure for me to be here today amidst you for the inauguration of the CPA India Zone 3 conference, a significant event that is coinciding with this conference is the launching of the Northeast chapter of SRI here in this historic and beautiful city of Guwahati and capital of beautiful state of Assam. I would like to take this opportunity to congratulate the Northeast Region Commonwealth Parliamentary Association for having organized this conference. Entire Northeast has been richly endowed with the bounties of nature and blessed with a rich and composite cultural heritage. The Northeast occupies a pride of place in our country. It is also one of the most diverse regions of Asia and a meeting point of many communities, faiths, and cultures. Even in our Indian philosophy and Vastu Shastra, Northeast is considered as a place of sanctity and the most auspicious direction where most powerful, positive, and progressive energies are generated. So, peace, harmony, and development in Northeast is very important for our country. I am touched by the warm welcome extended to us by the people of the state. I thank and compliment the Honorable Chief Minister and Speaker of Assam Legislative Assembly and all others associated with the planning, organization, and execution of this conference. Friends, as we all are aware, the Commonwealth Parliamentary Association is composed of over 180 branches formed in legislatures in Commonwealth countries, and India constitutes one of the 9 regions of CPA. Within the India CPA region, we have created 4 zones, the idea being to focus on various regional issues peculiar to that particular region and also promote contacts among legislators as also between the legislators and the people. I have attended the Zone 1 and Zone 4 conference in Dehradun and Shimla respectively. The Northeast Region (CPA), which has more than 500 MLAs, is very active, and it is heartening to note that it has been organizing useful events at regular intervals for the benefit of the legislators. The topics chosen for the CPA Zone 3 conference for 2 working sessions: 1. Women empowerment in Northeast region and collective approach to remove insurgency in Northeast region are very relevant and deserve intense discussion. Women are the fountainhead of life. No debate on the global political, economic, and social situation will be meaningful unless it addresses the issues relating to women who constitute half the world population. I feel happy that gender mainstreaming has become the central focus of many policies and programs at the governmental and non-governmental levels. Parliaments and parliamentarians are also making significant contributions in terms of progressive legislation in the direction of women's empowerment in political, economic, and social spheres. We had successfully organized the first ever National Conference of Women Legislators in New Delhi in March 2016. The theme of the conference was how the empowered woman can empower the nation. It was a unique event. The women legislators committed to work for transparent, accountable, and inclusive governance and to contribute for the task of building a resurgent India. However, the limitations of the law as a means of social change must be understood. The fact is that law can only guide the external behavior, it cannot bring about attitudinal changes. That needs a sustained social campaign. The imperative of respecting women must be inculcated in the mind from a young age. In the ethnically and culturally diverse Northeast India, women have shared a significant social space as compared to most of their contemporaries living in other parts of the Indian subcontinent. Their commendable participation in and contribution to the social, cultural, economic, and political affairs of the region deserves due recognition. Spiritual and political leader Rani Gadinliu, boxer and fellow parliamentarian M.C. Mericom, gymnast Deepa Karmakar, and weightlifter Kunjarani Devi, young athlete Hima Das are some of the glorious examples of women achievers from the Northeast. The other topic chosen for deliberation is collective approach to resolve insurgency in the northeastern region. This is indeed a theme of great relevance not only to the northeastern region but to the country as a whole. The region is rich in natural resources, still then infrastructure and governance combined with limited market access pose huge challenge to development. It is a matter of concern that the region still faces insurgency and ethnic conflicts. No economic or social development is possible without peace in the region. That being so, the need of the art is to harmonize and transform these conflicts into healthy competition for the progress of the people and the region. While safeguarding the distinctive ethnic and cultural identity of the people of the Northeast, it is equally important to bring about emotional integration between the people of the Northeast and the rest of the country. Collective, coordinated, and cooperative approach towards handling issues always yields good results.